Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a Sierra, but I'm going to show you the two methods you'll have to use. For both, you're going to need a T15 Torx screw, and if you have the dual glove box with the one above and below, you're going to remove these 4 T15 Torx screws, and once it's out, you can just pull it out. If you have a single glove box like the Tahoe or Yukon or Escalade, you have to lower it down by pushing both sides out, and then there's this plate here with 3 screws. Once you remove those 3, there's a 4th screw on the right side that you take out, and you can remove this intermediary piece. Yuck. If this is the grossest filter you've seen, please leave a like, subscribe, and a comment if you've seen dirtier. Once you have the glove box removed, or that plastic piece, you're going to see this plate, which you can pry with your finger toward you, or toward the back of the vehicle, and it will unlatch. As you saw on my wife's Tahoe, it was full of leaves and other gross stuff. This one is full of mouse poop, so it's been a great time. Really happy to be replacing these. They're both pretty dirty, and it's time. I used an EcoGuard filter on my wife's Tahoe, and I used a quality auto filter on this truck. Just make sure that the airflow arrows are pointing down, and then you can reinstall that cover plate, and then put your dash back together the exact same way you took it apart. Once again, thanks so much for watching. When you reinstall your dash, you'll have a new clean filter. See you next week.